What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with my boy Max. See ya. We'll see ya. What's up, Max?
My videos are so like 1 minutes. My videos are uploading.
One of his videos are uploading right now. It's called Introduce to My Channel. Go check. It's called my new channel. Go check it out. It's called Football 17 capital S. Yeah, it's called Football 17. Go check it out. Subscribe. I have a brother. His name is Gage, and go check it out. Party Squid is awesome. That's what he wants to be called. But his channel is called Party Squid Planet. Go check it out and subscribe. So today we're just gonna be back doing normal things. We can't leave the neighborhood yet until Max's mom comes home. So should be in a minute.
Like 4 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes maybe. I might have soccer practice today. I have no idea.
I hope we do, because if you guys check the weather, it says, well, this probably won't be uploaded until tomorrow.
Yeah. So it won't be uploading until like tomorrow, guys.
Yeah.
Or I can juggle it. No, stop. Oh, I don't even have to look, and I still have the ball. Oh crap.
You suck.
Can Rainbow kick it?
I can almost rainbow. Morgan.
I've done it. Of course Morgan can. He's played soccer long as
Oh no, that's okay.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so we're gonna go check it out. Yup. Right now, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna, bro, look at that freaking car. What is that car doing? It's just sitting in the middle of the street down there. It's like a pickup. See it down there?
Sorry.
It's a pickup right down
If he had like a mic, it'd be way better.
It would be way better. I'm sorry, guys, I don't have a mic yet. Yeah, the audio. I don't have a mic yet. My dad said until I get like more popular, he might get me a mic. So
Yeah, because like
I'm telling him I get more popular with a mic and gaming stuff. That was like, no, you're just gonna do vlogs right now. I'm like,
you need like a brick. No, you have to have like one of those like real like vlog camera stuff on my phone.
yes.
And all the crazy stuff.
Dude, pass my ball. Pass it. Keys up. Come on, Max, pass it. Now pass it. Dude. You're freaking. That's why I don't kick it on the curb. Oh my god, I got that off the air. I'm shooting him with a NERF gun. I'll be right back, Max. Okay. Shoot with a NERF gun. Let's do this. Hang on, guys. Nothing. Alright. Oh shit, my girl wasn't here. Okay.
Really? 20 inches, though. That's interesting. That's an interesting measurement.
Alright, guys, I got it. We're gonna go shoot Max. No, you have to this time. Shoot Max. That was not smart! That was not smart, Max! He's on the freaking ground. Got him!
That was him.
That's what Max gets.
He shot me in the back. No, that hurt, guys.
Don't do that one. Like you're
Hey!
You only freaking.
I'm 30.
Yeah, because he's lying on the freaking ground. I'm not no giggling. Jesus. Oh, your mom. Oh my freaking God! Are the bullets in there? Oh my God. Guys, this thing, this right here, is called instant karma. Oh my God! Oh my. Your bullets fell out! Darn it. That looked like it. He shot that right over my freaking head. This shotgun shoot too low this time. One bullet. 2 bullets. Alright guys, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this video.